Hola and welcome back to Rena's Cocina. Today I'll be showing you how to elevate your can of tuna to a delicious tuna salad pita. For this delicious recipe you'll need the following ingredients: 4 cans of tuna, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/4 of a white onion peeled and diced, 1 celery stalk, about a 1/4 cup of Petite pickled cucumbers, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, salt and pepper to taste, pita bread. You can purchase this at your regular grocery store. Following toppings are optionals but are highly recommended: cucumber, tomato, lettuce, banana peppers. Let's start by cutting the ends to your cucumber. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do like a little decoration, so I'm just going to peel on 4 sides. Now, let's slice them. You can do them as thick or thin as you want to. Let's start elevating this delicious tuna. Now, add your 4 drained completely tunas into a mixing bowl. Let's start assembling them. Thank you again for watching Rena's Cocina. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll see you in the next one.